From this video, you will get tips to prepare for AI-102, designing and implementing a Microsoft Azure AI solution. Microsoft AI-102 Exam Overview. Career Benefits. Skill Measured. Preparation Tips. 1. You are developing the knowledge base. You use Azure Video Analyzer for media, previously Video Indexer, to obtain transcripts of webinars. You need to ensure that the solution meets the knowledge base requirements. What should you do? A. Create a custom language model. B. Configure audio indexing for videos only. C. Enable multi-language detection for videos. D. Build a custom person model for webinar presenters. Answer: B. 2. You are developing the knowledge base by using Azure Cognitive Search. You need to meet the knowledge base requirements for searching equivalent terms. What should you include in the solution? A. A synonym map. B. A suggester. C. A custom analyzer. D. A built-in key phrase extraction skill. Answer: A. 3. You have a video indexer service that is used to provide a search interface over company videos on your company's website. You need to be able to search for videos based on who is present in the video. What should you do? A. Create a person model and associate the model to the videos. B. Create person objects and provide face images for each object. C. Invite the entire staff of the company to Video Indexer. D. Edit the faces in the videos. E. Upload names to a language model. Answer: A. 4. You are building a bot on a local computer by using the Microsoft Bot Framework. The bot will use an existing language understanding model. You need to translate the language understanding model locally by using the bot framework CLI. What should you do first? A. From the language understanding portal, clone the model. B. Export the model as an LU file. C. Create a new speech service. D. Create a new language understanding service. Answer: B. 5. You are building a natural language model. You need to enable active learning. What should you do? A. Add show all intents equals true to the prediction endpoint query. B. Enable speech priming. C. Add log equals true to the prediction endpoint query. D. Enable sentiment analysis. Answer: C. 6. You have an app named App1 that uses an Azure Cognitive Services model to identify anomalies in a time series data stream. You need to run App1 in a location that has limited connectivity. The solution must minimize costs. What should you use to host the model? A. Azure Kubernetes Services, AKS. B. A Kubernetes cluster hosted in an Azure Stack Hub integrated system. C. Azure Container Instances. D. The Docker Engine. Answer: B. 7. You are building a bot by using Microsoft Bot Framework. You need to configure the bot to respond to spoken requests. The solution must minimize development effort. What should you do? A. Deploy the bot to Azure and register the bot with a direct UN speech channel. B. Integrate the bot with Cortana by using the Bot Framework SDK. C. Create an Azure function that will call the speech service and connect the bot to the function. D. Deploy the bot to Azure and register the bot with a Microsoft Teams channel. Answer: B. 8. You are building an app that will include 1 million scanned magazine articles. Each article will be stored as an image file. You need to configure the app to extract text from the images. The solution must minimize development effort. What should you include in the solution? A. Computer vision image analysis. B. The Read API in computer vision. C. Form recognizer. D. Azure Cognitive Service for language. Answer: B. 9. You are developing a system that will monitor temperature data from a data stream. The system must generate an alert in response to atypical values. The solution must minimize development effort. What should you include in the solution? A. Univariate anomaly detection. B. Azure Stream Analytics. C. Metric alerts in Azure Monitor. D. Multivariate anomaly detection. Answer: D. 10. You are building a solution in Azure that will use Azure AI Language Service to process sensitive customer data. You need to ensure that only specific Azure processes can access the language service. The solution must minimize administrative. What should you include in the solution? A. Azure Application Gateway. B. IPsec rules. C. A virtual network gateway. D. Virtual network rules. Answer: D. Subscribe and like past question.